I bet you didn't know how crucial satellites are in our modern lives. Imagine a tiny spacecraft. It's designed to observe weather patterns on Earth. This little explorer is our satellite. To do its job, it needs a ride to space. This is where rockets come in, our powerful vehicles to the cosmos. The journey begins with a thunderous roar. The rocket, a towering structure of engineering, ignites its engines. It blasts off from the launch pad, carrying our satellite on its back. This fiery ascent is just the beginning of a meticulously planned journey to space. The satellite, nestled securely within the rocket's protective fairing, is about to embark on an incredible journey. Its destination? A specific orbit around Earth, where it will become our watchful eye in the sky. Buckle up as we delve into the fascinating world of satellite launches and their impact on our lives. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Before diving into the launch sequence, let's break down the anatomy of a rocket. Think of it as a multi-stage system. Each stage is like a separate vehicle with its own engines and fuel. At the bottom, you have the first stage, the real workhorse. It's the largest and most powerful, responsible for the initial liftoff. It carries the bulk of the fuel, usually a mix of liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen. This potent combination provides the immense thrust needed to overcome Earth's gravity. Moving up, we find the second stage. This section has a smaller engine and less fuel compared to the first stage. Its task is to take over once the first stage is spent, propelling the satellite closer to its final orbit. Some rockets even have a third stage for an extra push. At the very top, protected by a nose cone, lies the payload fairing. This is where our precious satellite resides, safely tucked away until it's time for deployment. The fairing acts like a shield, protecting the satellite from the intense heat and pressure during atmospheric ascent. And let's not forget the rocket engines. These marvels of engineering combine fuel and oxidizer in a combustion chamber, generating a powerful controlled explosion that propels the rocket upwards. The force produced by this controlled explosion, known as thrust, is what allows the rocket to escape Earth's gravitational pull. The launch sequence is a carefully choreographed dance of power and precision. It all starts with ignition. The first stage engines roar to life, igniting the fuel and generating an immense amount of thrust. The force pushes the rocket upwards, overcoming the invisible force of gravity that wants to keep it grounded. As the rocket ascends, it rapidly gains speed and altitude. The air outside gets thinner, and the first stage, having served its purpose, detaches and falls back to Earth. This is a critical moment, as the second stage must ignite flawlessly to continue the journey. With a surge of power, the second stage engine ignites, propelling the now lighter rocket even higher. The journey continues, with the rocket carefully adjusting its trajectory, guided by sophisticated onboard computers and ground control. As the rocket climbs higher and higher, it sheds more weight, discarding spent stages like a snake shedding its skin. This strategic shedding of mass is crucial for achieving the incredible speeds required to reach orbit. Achieving orbital ballet deployment and stabilization. With the final stage nearing exhaustion, our satellite prepares for its grand entrance. The payload fairing, no longer needed in the thin atmosphere, separates and falls away, revealing the satellite within. Finally, with a gentle push from the rocket, the satellite is deployed into its designated orbit. But the journey isn't over yet. Now, the satellite needs to stabilize itself, ensuring its solar panels face the sun for power and its antennas point towards Earth for communication. Imagine a figure skater executing a perfect pirouette. Similarly, the satellite uses small thrusters to adjust its position and spin. These tiny bursts of gas allow it to maintain a stable orientation, ensuring it can perform its designated tasks effectively. Once stable, the satellite is ready to begin its mission, whether it's monitoring weather patterns, beaming back television signals, or peering deep into the cosmos. The success of this complex deployment process is a testament to the meticulous planning and engineering that goes into every satellite launch. A celestial tapestry, diverse satellites, boundless applications. Now let's talk about the stars of the show, the satellites themselves. These technological marvels come in various shapes and sizes, each tailored for specific tasks. Some, like weather satellites, observe our planet from above, providing crucial data for weather forecasting and climate monitoring. Others, like communication satellites, act as relay stations in space, facilitating global communication networks. They beam back television signals, connect us through phone calls, and enable internet access even in the remotest corners of the globe. Then we have navigation satellites, our celestial guides on Earth. These satellites form the backbone of GPS systems, enabling us to navigate with precision, find our way around unfamiliar cities, and track our shipments across continents. Scientific satellites, the explorers of the cosmos, peer deep into space, unraveling the mysteries of distant stars, galaxies, and black holes. They provide invaluable data for astronomers, helping us understand the universe we live in a little bit better every day. Satellites, the unsung heroes of the modern age. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, satellites play a silent but vital role in our lives. They connect us, inform us, and protect us, shaping the way we communicate, navigate, and understand our world. Their importance in our increasingly interconnected world cannot be overstated. They are the unsung heroes of the modern age, quietly orbiting above, working tirelessly to make our lives easier, safer, and more connected. So next time you check the weather forecast, make a phone call, or watch your favorite TV show, take a moment to appreciate the invisible network of satellites working behind the scenes. These technological marvels, launched into space through a symphony of power and precision, are a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge and exploration. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, one thing remains certain: satellites will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping our future, connecting us to the cosmos and to each other in ways we can only begin to imagine. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible role of satellites, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating space-related content. Your support helps us bring you more amazing stories from the final frontier.